So yun guys, no, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo kumita sa site ito guys. Ang traschool.com. So yun guys, no, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo mag-sign up. Ilalagay nyo guys yung email nyo, phone number, password, then yung invitation code guys. Then click nyo yung sign up. So yun guys, nakalagay na po tayo guys, no, meron dito nakalagay na double times 2 TRX, double money for 24 hours, copy official link, copy law white paper, how to deposit, invite friends to join and receive 20% our contacts address, trxcool number 1 gmail.com, withdrawal of investment income is Singapore time GMT plus 8, 9 to 21. Note, the deposit address and withdrawal address need to be the same. So yun guys, no, nakalagin na. So yun guys, nakalagin na po tayo guys, no? Nandito tayo sa ating site guys, no? Magtutungo tayo sa ating wealth guys. Tron now available cloud mining. TRX cloud mining, a 100% interest rate. Minimum amount is 20. Maximum amount is 1 million. Daily income is 2,000. Then click nyo na guys yung invest. So yun guys, after natin dito guys, no? Magtutungo tayo sa ating activity. Invite friends to earn new revenue. USDT investment activity. So yun guys, no, meron ditong calendar. Pwede tayo mag-sign dito guys, no. Then check in the reward today, cash. Cumulative sign reward, 3 days, 1 receiving. 7 days, 10 receiving, 15 days, 18 receiving, 20 days, 8 receiving, 25 days is 388 receiving. So guys, no, after natin sa activity guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating account. Total asset is 0, principal 0 TRX, interest 0 TRX, income 0 TRX. Meron dito guys na 3 types, may investment, transaction details, online service. So yun guys, no, meron dito may wallet, recharge record, and withdrawal record. So yun guys, no, meron dito guys na account recharge, USDT or TRX. After lang guys, no, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng team dito. My team reward introduction, first level, member recharge reward 20%, second level, member recharge reward is 0%, 3 level member recharge 0%. So yun guys, no, total rewards team 0 people recharge, invitation link and invitation code. So yun guys, meron tayong invitation link dito guys, no, pwede natin ipasa sa ating mga friends para maka-earn tayo ng mga rewards. So yun guys, no, please set your wallet address. So yun guys, no, ano ba yung nakalagay sa about us? How to deposit. Next step is, kunyari, for example, account recharge 574 TRX. Dito yung dalawang pay method, USDT and TRX. Next step is transaction details, 350 TRX. Then, lagyan nyo dito yung mga nakaka link nyo. Then, transaction type, transfer to TRX, transaction hash, then block number. So, yun guys, no, transfer screenshot voucher. Then, if the amount you send is the less than the minimum deposit amount for the chosen payment system, such a payment will be considered a donation. Withdrawals can only be withdrawn to the address who you transfer, guys. Company profile. TRX is one of the most promising cryptocurrency listed on more than 130 exchange connecting millions of values investors worldwide. TRX currently has more than 20 self-built and cooperative minds around the world's leading one-stop blockchain computing powers ecosystem. We have integrated 27 countries and regions around the world. More than 3 million miners in minor revenue in December 2023 is to close to 1 billion join the TRX mining platform. Like you make money, minimum deposit 50 TRX, they yield is high, 1 to 10% investment, 10,000 TRX to 500 TRX daily. Contact period is 1 year. So yun guys, no, ito lang talaga ang gagawin dito guys is pwede kayo mag-invest dito, transaction details, then pwede kayo mag-recharge and withdraw. So yun guys, no, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po sa lahat ng lalabas ko ng bagong video guys. Thank you.